welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I color my hair to this, from this. So before I color my hair to this, I did bleach my hair beforehand, and you can see the video on the description below. I put the link on the description below, guys. And I only did bleach my hair once, and this type of hair dye that I use is very vibrant. You can see it's kind of like wig, right? But this is not a wig. This is my real hair. See, it's very Barbarian, and I love the color. I curl my hair just a bit, and the smell is really good. Just get started. Howdy, hello again, guys. This is the hair color cream I'm using called Galaxy from Careview, but I'm not sure if it is a Thai brand or not. Bought this here in some Thai shop, probably have it on Lazada as well. It says in here that the result may vary, depends on how light your blonde shade is. I probably have the number 10. The box comes with 100 grams of color cream. It says that no ammonia and no hydrogen peroxide. Also comes with this little sachet that I'm not sure what it is. Don't forget to wear gloves and old t-shirt when you do this at home. Let's start mixing. So I'm using 2 boxes of hair color creams. Both have 100 grams of color cream plus this little sachet. The little sachet was a blue cream that increases the color pigment or contrast. It's not a lot of cream though, but probably enough to increase the color contrast. Then just mix them together like so, or until the application are combined, smooth, and consistent in color and texture. By the way, guys, the smell of this hair color cream is amazing! I'm gonna start on my left side. It will be on your right side while you are facing the screen. The instruction says apply the mixture, start from the roots to the end of the hair, so that's what I'm gonna do. So guys, this is how I do it. This is how I color my hair. So if you're gonna do this at home, just follow what I did in this video. But not all hair color creams are the same. So some, it will say that don't start on your roots, but this one is need to be start on the roots. So just follow what's the instructions say and just do what I did on this video. So yeah, that's it, guys. It's very easy to follow, guys, so that you can have an even hair color, hair application, or what do you call it? After I applied all the application on the one side of my hair, and I just massage them like so that you can have an even application on the roots.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
And then just leave it for 25 minutes, but the box says leave it for 30 to 40 minutes, but I'm just gonna leave it for 25 minutes. So this is the result, guys, after showered. Didn't use shampoo at all, I just conditioner, guys. Also, it says on the instruction, guys, that you don't need to use shampoo, just use a conditioner. So I'm just gonna air dry my hair and I'm gonna see you later. So my hair in here is just half dry and I'm going to use this moisturizer leave-on conditioner to moisturize my hair. Hello, you already saw this my hair color earlier at the intro of this video. So yeah, I'm gonna show you again. So I already washed my hair twice, guys. So I did curl my hair and it's very soft right now, guys, after the application. I just recently bleached my whole hair myself. So I'm just gonna put on the description below where you can find how I bleach my hair. Just find down there. I like this product because the color is very vibrant and they are really affordable. I bought this for 49 baht and it's around maybe like 60 pesos or 70, something like that. I don't know the conversion. So guys, before I did this, it's not hurt on the scalp. As you can see earlier that I start on the scalp and it doesn't hurt a thing, guys. It's kinda like shampoo or something, but the smell is so good. I highly recommend. It's also affordable. After the application, guys, it's really, my hair looks fuller and thicker and healthier. I don't know what is it. It says in here with a pearl powder. Maybe that's what makes it more healthier, my hair. They have a variety of colors, guys. Maybe I'm gonna try different colors from this product. I'm just gonna show you the back of my hair to show you that if it's the color is even and stuff. I really love the color. What do you think of the color, guys? Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching and I hope you like this video. And if you have any more questions, just comment down below. And if you have any suggestion on what hair color should I color next to my hair, just comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. And yeah, thank you so much guys again for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!